Hello, my name is Shantanu Pandey. I am legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I am going to talk about the partnership at will. Partnership at will is also known as general partnership at will. It is a type of partnership where a partner have not specified a fixed duration of the partnership. In other words, it is a partnership without predetermined end date or a specific purpose stated in a partnership agreement. Here are some key characteristics in partnership at will formation. A partnership at will can be formed by two or more individuals who agree to carry a business together. It will be created either through a written agreement or an oral understanding. However, it is always advisable to have a written partnership agreement that clearly outlines the right, responsibility and expectation of the partner. Duration. Unlike other type of partnership, a partnership at will does not have a specific duration or terms or date mentioned in the partnership agreement. It continues until one or more partners decide to dissolve the partnership by giving notice to other partner. Flexibility. One of the advantages of the partnership at will is the flexibility. Since there is no fixed duration, the partner has the freedom to dissolve a partnership or bring in new partner whenever they choose, as long as they are adhere to any provision outlined the partnership agreement or local laws. Decision making and management. In a partnership at will, unless otherwise specified in the partnership agreement, each partner generally have an equal say in the management and decision making of the business. This means the partner share both the profit and liability of the partner. Liability. In a partnership at will, the partner have a unlimited personal liability or the debt obligation and the liability of the partnership. This means that there is a personal asset can be used to satisfy the partnership debt or legal claim resolution. A partnership at will can be dissolved by any partner giving notice to the other partners of their intention to dissolve the partnership. The partnership assets are then typically liquidated and they proceed the distribution among the partner according to their agreed upon profit sharing ratio as per the local laws and governing partnerships. Thank you. For any other query, please write down in the comments.